search engine searches happen in Google. In fact, ever since the pandemic started, there's been a massive surge in searches for local businesses on Google. More and more people are making reservations online, orders online, and overall buying from local businesses online. All of these businesses are found in one spot, the GMB spot of Google, also known as Google My Business Listings, which appear higher than normal search results. These are the traffic giants, and when a local business lands there for multiple keywords, they can expect a surge of traffic and sales. And for that, they're willing to pay big money. But here's the problem. Some businesses don't know they're not there. Most businesses are unable to reach there, and all businesses are happy to pay to get there. Most of the businesses on Google Maps are unoptimized or unclaimed, which means they're not ranking for a variety of reasons. This is good news for you because you get to be the hero of this story. And check this out. According to the Search Engine Journal, a claimed business gets 7 times more clicks than an unclaimed listing and is 70% more likely to attract customers to their location. So we've recognised this opportunity here at RankSnap Labs and developed an application so effective and so complete that every single business that chooses to work with you will get all that traffic and rankings. On top of that, we've actually prepared a library with millions of businesses with faulty Google Map listings hungry for this service. And so it's all in one dashboard. All you have to do is follow 3 simple steps to make the fixes and collect the payments. It's very easy. Step 1. Hit search and the AI finds businesses and recognises the issues that need to be fixed in their listings. Step 2. Use our proven templates to contact the client and give them a report of their issue. Step 3. Fix the issues with the listings and collect the payments. Each of these steps contains a ton of technology that's been perfected to automate the entire process in just a few clicks. Imagine if in minutes from now you could have your very own revolutionary AI app that instantly gets your business or your client's business to position number 1 in Google Map rankings without any SEO knowledge and keeps it ranked there for years. With our revolutionary AI technology, you can easily bank $1,500 or more by helping all sorts of local businesses to claim and optimize their GMB listing and get them traffic and sales while profiting big time. Say hello to the most advanced GMB optimization technology powered by artificial intelligence. Introducing GMB Snap. Rank your business or your client's business number 1 in Google Maps. Plus, help millions of local businesses in ranking on Google Maps and get paid over $1,500 per sale with almost no work. Yes, you heard that right. Get an insane amount of free and rapid traffic from Google Map rankings. Control and optimize your client's GMB listing. Browse from a directory of millions of local businesses that need this very service. Get more positive reviews and comments on your business profile. Charge $1,500 a month per client by helping local businesses rank higher. New tech that builds citations, backlinks and ranks businesses on Google Maps too faster than anything else. No prior experience or marketing know-how needed, and much more. Our brand new software will spot a listing in need of optimization in a snap, literally. Once you do this, you can optimize your clients' profiles professionally and get paid handsomely for doing so. It will optimize every important part of your Google My Business listing. Maximize your online presence, attract more customers, and drive engagement for your business today in just 3 simple steps. Incredible, isn't it? With GMB Snap, you can easily earn top dollar for your services and create a real, reliable income stream helping others. And so it's all in one dashboard. All you have to do is follow 3 simple steps to make the fixes and collect the payments. It's very easy. Step 1. Hit search and the AI finds businesses and recognizes the issues that need to be fixed in their listings. Step 2. Use our proven templates to connect the client and give them a report on their issue. Step 3. Fix the issues with the listings and collect the payments. Each of these steps contains a ton of technology that's been perfected to automate the entire process in just a few clicks. Enjoy the results and let the software do all the hard work for you. That's it. Simple, right? Become the hero business owners have been hoping for without any hassle. Before I go, another thing I want you to understand. Fixing these faulty GMB listings is an opportunity no one else is talking about. If you aren't taking advantage of the opportunity to rank in online searches, you're missing the chance to reach leads, attract in-store traffic, and generate revenue. When you optimize your listing correctly, you can help your client's business compete with more prominent brands. And GMB Snap takes care of everything you could possibly think of. It's 100% automated and easy to use software. It has specific location targeting. It creates high authority citations. It creates high authority backlinks. It creates maps with videos and images. It ranks for multiple keywords at once. It supports spin tags in all fields. It has article spinner software built in. Finds and populates business data automatically. Suggests nearby locations to target rankings. Pings your maps links to get indexed. And the list goes on and on. It has everything. When you give your client exactly what they need, nothing can stop you from making sales. You can easily sell GMB optimization services to clients with poor rankings as soon as you connect with them, almost like you read their mind. Set this up today and you could be tapping into billions of people around the world. GMB Snap comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have 30 days to try and test it risk-free. The need for this is bigger than ever. There was a 61% increase in calls from Google My Business from January 2021 to July 2021. Every business must have their maps and Google My Business optimized and get on Google Local 3-Pack. This is the fastest way for businesses to get more clients and orders, and you'll be there to help. Businesses are happy paying big bucks for GMB optimization. It's the most valuable service businesses need right now, more than ever. So waste no more time. Grab GMB Snap now. You can finally separate yourself from the crowd by offering businesses a service they need and that they're willing to pay big bucks for. We can't wait to see you making super money and create a lifestyle you desire with this breakthrough software.